Hi, I'm Paul from Velo and welcome to Brompton and a Coffee. Come find out what we're doing today on the Brompton G-Line. So my Brompton G-Line has been turning out to be a wonderfully versatile bike and also very, very durable. I have taken it on single track, loads of gravel routes, urban riding, all over the place, and it is just a dream. So I'm wondering, where can I go to just push it that little bit further or try a different style of riding on the G-Line? So on our regular rides, we always pass a pump track. So let's take a ride to the pump track. I've taken my P6R on the pump track and it was pretty good. Let's see how the Brompton G-Line fares up on an urban pump track. Let's go. So I thought I'd time my first run just to give a little bit of an idea if I can improve on it for a bit of structure, and I got 28.92. The Brompton G-Line feels really good. I think on the first one I had my weight a bit too far forward, so I've got to remember to lean back. I've lowered the saddle and I've got to remember not to bash my cranks on the ramp. But before we do some more timing, see if I can reduce my time, I'm going to ride this the difficult way. Let's go. So I'll be first to admit, I'm not a master at this type of riding. I can transfer some of my mountain bike skills to it, but I can feel myself improving and improving and improving the more runs I'm doing. Definitely on the corners, committing to the corners. I know from mountain biking, you need to carry the speed out of the corners. And yeah, that seems to be working well. So let's do a second run and see if I can improve on my time of 28 seconds, 0.92. So 28.92. Let's see.
So 23.72.
Oh, that is good. 23.72. So that's like 5-second difference. I was definitely pedaling a lot more on that one and I wasn't in the right gear. I wouldn't say it felt as flowy, but definitely felt faster. Try and get under 20 seconds. Be here all day. We'll give it one more run and we'll see how I get on. So I don't want to push myself or the bike too far. But yeah, let's give it one more run and we'll see where we're at. No. 24.20. It felt faster. So weird, isn't it? How that felt faster. Right, one more. Okay. 3, 2, 1. 23. Okay. I think I'll have to leave it there. Because an old dude in his 40s doesn't want to be slamming down on a tarmac. And that's potentially the way it's going. But the Brompton felt really good. I guess maybe I was stressing the headset and stem clamp and all of that, handlebar clamp. And it was really good, a lot of fun. I'll definitely be coming down here and stopping off when we come on our rides. So I hope you enjoyed it. Do you think I could have beat my time? How do you think my style was? I felt like I got better and better and better. And I'm sure the more I did it, I could probably go under 20, but not for today, not for today. So thanks for watching and joining us for Brompton and a coffee. And if you like what we do, please subscribe.